Ambulance service, what's the full address of the emergency, please?
I can't breathe, sorry.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't breathe.
I need to know the address. Is anybody there with you?
My daughter, who's 7.
Does she know the address? Is she able to say it to me?
No.
Okay, so what town or city are you in?
Mum.
Okay, I'm going to send you a link, okay, so if you can open it when it comes through to your phone and let me know what the 3 words say there, okay?
Configure. Audio. Brought in.
I've located you, okay, so just to confirm, are you the patient there?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're struggling with your breathing?
I'm asthmatic.
Take your time there, okay? Have you tested positive for COVID in the last 14 days?
No.
Have you had your COVID vaccination?
Yeah.
Now tell me if you have any of the following symptoms. So a temperature of over 38?
No.
A fever?
No.
Okay, so stay on the line. I'm going to tell you what to do next, okay? So carry on using that nebulizer for these attacks, okay? And what is your name, or what's your mum's name there?
Catherine.
And what's your name?
Isla.
And how old are you, Isla?
7.
You're doing really well there, okay? We're arranging some help for your mum, okay? My name's Maddie, okay, so I'm going to stay on the line with you. Do you know the colour of your car there, Isla?
Red. There's kayaks on the roof. A big red one.
What else have you been doing today, Isla?
I've been holding a puppy called Mabel.
And was she giving you cuddles?
Kisses more like.
Oh. And have you got any pets, Isla?
Yeah, we've got a dog called Roly.
And what colour is he?
He's black, white and brown. They're behind us.
Who's behind you?
The ambulance.
They're going to help Mum now, but you've done really, really well, Isla.
Hello, it's the ambulance.
Okay, take care, bye.